Hello, Kalugaran. Welcome to Ben Bautista Recorded Live Mini Concert. An Awing Records music production in cooperation with 97.7 Radyo Kalugaran proudly presents
Kantaan Ka Kalugaran. May sanga oras na ingkam panang harana kada kayo. Babaen kadagiti ayug Ilocos, English ken Tagalog, featuring Ben Bautista with some of the best Ilocos recording artists around the world.
Kantaan Ka Kalugaran.
Dito'y laing 97.7 FM Radio Kalugaran, Claveria.
And now, folks, please welcome the pride of Claveria, Ben Bautista, also known as Gino Romero.
Look at us after all these years together. Look at us after all that we've been through. Look at us still leaning on each other. If you wanna see how true love should be, then just look at us. Look at you, still pretty as a picture. Look at me, still crazy over you. Look at us, still believing in forever. If you wanna see how true love should be, then just look at us. In 100 years from now, I know without a doubt, they'll all look back and wonder how we made it all work out. Chances are we'll go down in history when they wanna see how true love should be. They'll just look at us.
Hello Kalugaran! Narito na naman po ang Kantaan Ka Kalugaran dito laing Radyo Kalugaran, Claveria. Mga special guest ko po ngayon, sila Jeremy Porocho of Italy, Eugene Tunak Marquez of Hawaii, Alexander Reyes Barot of Texas, and Miss Noraline Domingo of Canada.
Chances are we'll go down in history when they wanna see how true love should be. They'll just look at us. When they wanna see how true love should be, they'll just look at us.
Look at us, dating nga sonata kin mini concert, kiti papay ka na tayo. dagiti papagayam tayo, akas kada, lakay-lakay van transport, babaeng ti panang imanaher ni Mr. Doming Libunao, Flores Snack House and Tambayan Restaurant, kukwak and matmatunan, the engineer, Eddie Flores and Mrs. Girly Flores, J&G School and Office Supplies, kukwak and matmatunan ni Mr. Gerardo Asuncion, Ligaya's Glassware Gift Shop and General Merchandise, kukwak and matmatunan ni Mrs. Ligaya Gutierrez, True Savers Generic Pharmacy, kukwak and matmatunan ni Mr. and Mrs. Aurelio Aguda, Claveria Bayview Inn and Beach Resort, kukwak and matmatunan ni Mrs. Adela Arizabal, Joretarian Hardware, kukwak and matmatunan ni Mr. and Mrs. Johan Alcantara, LGY Drug Store, kukwak and matmatunan ni Mrs. Leilani Gamyao Yuson, Lolit Zabalas Fish Stand, kukwak and matmatunan ni Mrs. Lolita Zabala, Alcantara Commercial, Complete Agricultural Products, kukwak and matmatunan ni Mr. and Mrs. Ian Alcantara, Kawan and Pailano Meat Shop, kukwak and matmatunan ni Mrs. Janet and Miss Elvie, De Peralta MC Shop, Motorcycle Shop, kukwak and matmatunan ni Mr. Larry De Peralta Sr., RW Marketing, kukwak and matmatunan ni Mr. and Mrs. Romel and Rowena Agustin, Aqua Cool, kukwak and matmatunan ni Mr. Pepe Domingo, Fernandez Fresh Mickey Factory, kukwak and matmatunan ni Mr. and Mrs. Mario Fernandez, Tagkat Lagoon, babaeng ti panang manehar ni Barangay Captain Annabel Parot, ken dagiti Barangay Kagawad ti Tagkat Norte, Acob Store, kukwak and matmatunan ni Mr. Wilson and Mrs. Anita Acob, ken saan tayo malipatan ti Claveria Grassroots Multipurpose Cooperative, dito yung broadcast City 97.7 Radyo Kalugaran. Kablaawan tayo met ni Pastor Leonardo Obaldo and his family, ti key person ti religious sector ti Radio Council nga isupay ti akintengel ti programa nga Jesus wayawayay ti biag dito yung 97.7 Radyo Kalugaran. Kablaawan tayo pa di kita agpapa iti 97.7 Radyo Kalugaran kas kumakada June Naseno, Jomar Jukin, Lovely Remokin, JL Obaldo, L. Long, Kenti Station Manager Mrs. Juliet Atiagan, Ken di kita'y BNS Barangay Nutrition Scholars. Kasama kablaawan tayo di kita'y Sangguniang Bayan Member City Claveria, babayan iti panangidaulo ti Vice Mayor tayo ni Dr. Solferino Agra Jr. Kasama tayo iti pakabuklan ti Association of Barangay Captains iti Claveria. Thank you so much to Justin Farm Supply, kukwak ni matunan ni Mr. Julius de Guzman, Mrs. Filipinas Terrada, iti Centro 2, Claveria, Cagayan, A&T Boutique, Claveria Avon Center, imat matunan ni Mrs. Angeline Tomas, Arizabal Lifestyle Salon and Boutique, Arizabal Lifestyle Water Refilling Station, and Arizabal Lifestyle Fast Food, kuko ni Miss Jade Aleli Arizabal, imat matunan ni Mr. and Mrs. Ambrosio Arizabal Jr. Kablaawan tayo pa ikiti focal person City Radio Council, katikiti na dumaduma sector kas kumaiti, Agriculture, Mr. Dante Castillo, Fishery, Mrs. Marlita Rosales, Academe, Mrs. Cecil Lagisan, Mrs. Marites Martinez, Mrs. Lauren Marie, Health, Mrs. Amelia Perdido, Senior Citizen, Mr. Rodolfo Tambio Sr., Cooperative, Mr. Chidoro Balanay Jr., Youth, Mr. Lord Francis Vergara, Religious Sector, Pastor Leonardo M. Ubaldo, Women, Mrs. Alicia Salas, PNP, Sir Rene Estavillo, Bureau of Fire Protection, SF02 Franklin Viloria, Coast Guard, Barangay Nutrition Scholar, Mrs. Constancia Valentec, Persons with Disability, Mr. Eddie Gawiran. Alright, maraming salamat sa inyo at maraming salamat din sa ating kaibigan si Nestor Tayaba ng Riyadh, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Here's a song from the album Homesick vs. Dollar with Miss Noraline Domingo. This song is entitled Biag Kumamatika, words by my friend Alexander Reyes Barot.
O biag ko lipatin ko man, di sa ka pandakapay, taad tuyak nga agur uray, daytayat nga inka ipaay. Amok no kasanot sa enga, dayta impalay punyal ni dawelken ka, yang palubusan na tengak epen sa en dayta sugat ni kinadangkes biag kumamatika Kaya't mo nga ina aramiden tapno ina ken ka maipanetne asikaket sikat pagpatket uray aging ganak tanem sikat ina ayaten biag kumamati ka na ito'y ayan awang kasting na isip ang palubusan na amang iparik na tu'y tarigagay da ito'y ayan at natarnaw ubiag ko mamati ka ubiag ko mamati ka.
Alright, thank you so much. Biyak Kumamati Ka from the album Homesick vs. Dollar. Available pa lang apo kadagiti pagtagilakwan. Alright, sa penor nga nakawagan tiyo muna ang guest singer tayo. Ito ito'y edition tayo. Kantaan Ka Kalugaran. Kahit kuman nga basaan digiti greetings. Dagiti kalugaran tayo. If you want to greet your friends, just send your greetings to +63 949 560 1925. Ulit ang apo. +63 949 560 1925. Ikabilya apo. Put type Kantaan Ka space your greetings. Ket lipatan apo tinagan niya. Okay? Belated happy birthday to my sister Belinda Ramos from Atebet, Kalumpit of Tagkat Norte. Happy birthday kay Miss Maureen Agbayani of Centro 6, Claveria, Cagayan sa March 18 from ASJ Batch 76. Wow, I was only 5-year-old. O kumusta po yung mga taga-ASJ? Happy birthday po. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Belinda and Maureen. Happy birthday to you. Ayon, sana malasing mo kami o nalasing mo sila. Sir, kablaawak man digitay teachers ko iti Claveria School of Arts and Trades anang muli kanyak iti patatawan a panagbasa iti nasawa pagadalan. Kadagiti padak na grade 1 iti class 2014. Congratulations nang nangrona iti 4 Diamond ken siyempre digitay best friends ko ada Janine, Robeline, Cassie, Melissa, Angel, Baby ken Rika from Jean Rose, Keha. Congratulations advance. Sapay kumata makalpas kaya ating ti kolehiyo ket no saan man sapay kumata nagasat ti dumteng napintas ti dumteng nagasat siya. Sir, nagpintas ti programa niya adumandanon kada kami iti kada Domingo through Radyo Kalugaran. You are really a pride of Claveria. Wow naman, thank you po. Sapay tamanayon dati ang programa amang mangtetry au ken liwliwa kada kami. Hi also kina Michaela and Keanu Ben. Sir, tayo man ading kubiday akan tayo. Salamat po, Teddy of Centro 5. Kumusta kayo dyan sa Centro 5? Wala na yata akong file ng ading biday. Apo Teddy. Ay ading kubiday, jak awaten panakapaay. Idemun day taayat mo apang arto'y biyak ko. I think 25 years ago day dyan, gayon ko. Kanta day di idol ko nga Bobby Gutierrez. Anyway, thank you so much. Hayaan mo. Maghahanap ako ng -1 at kakantahin ko sa'yo ng buo, okay? Sir, kaya't kuman nakablaawan ni Nanang ko, Ruwen Agustin, iti mabnang. Akanayon amang pagpadaan kaday ti programa yo. Kais-isem naklang tadi matalawan ti radyo na no kasa sumang bayan ti kantaan kakalugaran. Vincent ti Mabnang. Katang mamin ti iPhone na, Vincent. Tapno, oren no pabaran na kit maitugot na. Thank you so much once again. Kat no kaya tiyo apoy tagkablaw, just send your greetings to +63-949-560-1925 para hindi natin maistorbo si gayam tayo nga Bernard Estabilio. Doon kayo nagte-text. Just type kantaan ka, space, greetings, and your name. Alright, maraming salamat po. And here's now our guest singer. At this point, I would like to call on a guest singer. Tapno may nakantaan. Iti sinurat para upload tayo iti YouTube, Nestor Tayaba, Inuulbod Akari. Please welcome Mr. Alexander Reyes Baro.
Hello, Gayembeng. My idol, the Prince of Ilocano songs.
Idol ka dyan. Hello, Met. Kablaw mo digti dumdumnig.
Hello, Met. Kadigiti amin-amin na dumdumngeg. Hinday ito yung programa. At to'y manenti Gayemyo, Alex Baro. Aw-awagan da iti
Ali Basit Alalaki.
Manipod iti Jefferson, Texas studio. Tapno may kay kantaan iti
Inuulbod Akari by Nestor Tayaba. Take it away, Alexander Reyes Barot.
Kasmanawan patinggana di ayat asinangal ka agkakasamit abalikas kasmandi manasanas ngeman yan akin naranggas takineltay ti panawen langen ta ket nagmaumaw tingayad na ket napuka inuulbod akari pinukaw na tinamnama inuulbod na ayan isip mang sulat to'y kaunggak. Sapsapulet di nasarangsang makapaisem akat katawan nuin na idamat matan agkan bibig mo akasasamitan ngem anyan akinaranggas takineltay ti panawen langen ta ket nagmaumaw tingayad na ket napuka inuulbod akari pinukaw na tinamnama inuulbod na ayan isip mang sulat to'y kaunggak inuulbod akari pinukaw na tinamnama inuulbod na ayan isip mang sunat tuwing kaundat, isut mang sunat tuwing kaundat.
Thank you so much, Alexander Reyes Parot. Don't forget, Inuulbod Akari, words by Nestor Tayaba, Maniput, Saudi Arabia. Ngayon naman, ng aking 12-year-old daughter, Michaela Bien, to sing Someone Like You. Palakpakan nyo naman, kawawa naman siya.
I heard that you settled down, that you found a girl and you're married now. I heard that your dreams came true. Guess she gave you things I didn't give to you. Old friend, why are you so shy? Ain't like you to hold back or to hide from the light. I hate to turn up out of the blue uninvited, but I couldn't stay away, I couldn't fight it. I hope you see my face, that you'd be reminded that for me it isn't over. Never mind, I'll find someone like you. I wish nothing but the best for you too. Don't forget me, I beg. I remember you said sometimes it lasts a love, but sometimes it hurts instead. Sometimes it lasts in love, but sometimes it hurts instead. You know how the time flies. Only yesterday was the time of our lives. We were born and raised in a summer haze, bound by the surprise of our glory days. I hate to turn up out of the blue uninvited, but I couldn't stay away, I couldn't fight it. I hope you see my face and that you'd be reminded that for me it isn't over yet. Never mind, I'll find someone like you. I wish nothing but the best for you too. Don't forget me, I beg. I'll remember you said sometimes it lasts in love, but sometimes it hurts instead. Nothing compares, no worries or cares, regrets and mistakes, their memories made. We would have known how better sweet this would taste. Never mind, I'll find someone like you. I wish nothing but the best for you too. Don't forget me, I beg. I'll remember you said sometimes it lasts in love, but sometimes it hurts instead. Never mind, I'll find someone like you. I wish nothing but the best for you too. Don't forget me, I beg. I'll remember you said sometimes it lasts in love, but sometimes it hurts instead. Sometimes it lasts in love, but sometimes it hurts instead.
Wow, that's a lovely voice. This is Ganovan saying, please don't go away, because we'll be right back. Thank you, Studio A. We are back for another 30 minutes of your favorite song.
Kalugaran, kunam aakyan ben. Thank you so much, Kalugaran. Hello, everyone.
I've been alone with you inside my mind, and in my dreams I've kissed your lips 1,000 times. I sometimes see you pass outside my door. Hello, is it me you're looking for? I can see in your eyes, I can see it in your smile. You're all I've ever wanted. My arms are open wide, 'cause you know just what to say, and you know just what to do. And I wanna tell you so much, I love you. I long to see the sunlight in your hair, and tell you time and time again how much I care. Sometimes I feel my heart will overflow. Hello, I've just got to let you know, 'cause I wonder where you are, and I wonder what you do. Are you somewhere feeling lonely, or is someone loving you? Tell me how to win your heart, for I haven't got a clue. But let me start by saying I love you. Hello, is it me you're looking for? 'Cause I wonder where you are, and I wonder what you do. Are you somewhere feeling lonely, or is someone loving you? Tell me how to win your heart, for I haven't got a clue. But let me start by saying I love you.
At tuya makanta ti something new, something special. Tune to watch. Sonata adi pay unay nang nangigan. Iti tangata. Tune to watch. Baro aputar. Nalabit. Ngagbalintumat a paborito yo. Tune to watch.
Sana nga maging paborito nila Keanu and Kayla. This naman darod at Dayan Tagarlaeng with my friend Noraline Domingo from Canada Studio. Lyrics by Ali Kutek, Alfred Gabriel of Saudi Arabia. Tune to us, di bulan di Marso.
awan ng serbina, no di kan makita. At iiyak ko sikat pa kabuklan na buray ko ng kaniya. Sinasail ka, babasulit to'y bagik nulumdaan ka.
Diyak to malipatan, di aramin mo. Banag ang nagledda, ang anday to'y puso. Dagito'y ket pase, di kalman tapod no. Sinair nagman, iti awan basol mo. Tinaguligan, apanas, libyakan. Managkayang sipot, pa'y iti umpingkan. Liday pisungken, tunggal maipalagi. Akayang kakadlain, ay ayate.
Ti aldaw sa anen na magawid ang inas. Itamatam luwang ay di mo may papas. Umisem ka kuma, kas pamalubos mo. Kanyak biyak ko, balunek liday ko.
Uray umadayukan, di mukan ibaga. Nga ibatin na, ket lipatin kanita. Tuy ayat ko, itugod mo kariken ka. Urayag sablit, awan makapegka.
Tinaguligan, apanas, libyakan. Managkayang sipot, pa'y iti umpingkan. Liday pisungken, tunggal maipalagip. Ang kayang takadlain, ay ayate. Tinaguligan, apanas, libyakan. Managkayang sipot, pa'y iti umpingkan. Liday pisungken, tunggal maipalagip. Ang kayang takadlain, ay ayate. Liday pisungken, tunggal maipalagip. Ang kayang takadlain, ay ayate.
Ingkay nangegan, ti something new, something special. Tune to watch. Iti daytoy a bulan. Sapay kuma tatapayaan nyo dagiti baro a sunata. Tune to watch.
Thank you so much, Keanu and Michaela. Bago po natin tawagin ang guest singer mula po sa Italy na napakagaling umawit at napakaganda ng boses. Gusto kong batiin si Miss Lisa Arcunado ng happy birthday. Hindi ko na po sasabing belated or advanced dahil naririnig po tayo ng YouTube. Once again, happy birthday from your friend Nestor Tayaba and of course from your friend Ben. Maraming salamat sa pag-sponsor mo ng aming ginawang kanta ni Nestor. Sana hindi ka magsasawa. At my greetings dito mula po sa ating YouTube listener. Coming from Nerissa. Greet ko idol ti amin nga taga Simili, Karanglaan, Mabini, Pangasinan, Damasco family, ni Papangkot, Charlito, Mamangkot, Delia, Kuya Jong, Ate Jenny, Kathy, Melanie, Mylene, Marilo, Oliver, Pamela, Jane, John, AJ, Cyril, John, Adrienne. Greet ko met ti boyfriend ko nga ni Ronnie Decano. I love you and I miss you so much. Jayman idol, niya apo Diyos timang bendisyon kan ka or long distance nga ayat. It's me, Nerissa Damasco, ang iyong masugid na tagapakinig mula sa YouTube. Maraming salamat, Nerissa! Gusto rin namin batiin ni Nestor Tayaba ang aming mga friends and followers ng YouTube. Renz Tacazon, Lynn Alvarez, Ana Baquidan, Domi Carino, Shane Gracia, Liza Arconado, Shirley Pagaling, Lani Cabanting, Josie Vitales, Leila Valenzuela, Vilma Hosto, Donabel Arconado, Imelda Wilson, Michelle Paulina, Riza Calica, Hannibal Gasmen, Esther Del Rosario, Minerva Agpalo, Rogelio Gabayan, Mercy Atcha, Reika Singson, Lorena Alberto, Mayflower, Emily S. Choco, Belinda Aquino, Marilo Racca, Janet Tayaba, Seychelle Tayaba, Faye Pimentel. And now, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to call on ti dating ang kaduet ko, ti kantang na Paul si Katigapuna. She's back with her new single, I Will Let You Go, from Italy. Please welcome, from Bacaray, Ilocos Norte, nga mag-edit ti Italy, Jeremy Peroccio.
Thought that I had everything, happiness you can bring. Now I can't breathe, 'cause you're not with me. Nothing I could ever do, nothing I could say to you to make you stay. Don't you go
Alright, thank you so much, Miss Jeremil Perocho. Abangan po ang aming back-to-back album entitled Pakalaglagipan. At maraming salamat po sa ating mga magiging sponsor, sila Basil J.R. Pal, Ali Kuteg, ganon din kay Nathan Aliling, Nestor Tayaba, Josie Vitales. Here's your request, Nerissa, with Miss Noraline Domingo.
Musta ka kadi ikandiag ko, siya kadipay, ti malaglagit mo. Nasyak man bilang, tikas mo damagen sikat ina, ar-ara paapen.
Ano siya dito'y awan pagdanagan, kasar sarita, dahito'y ladaman. Ket kada awag mo, telepono, isut dengget, dahito'y barukong ko.
Nagrigaten, long distance na ayan, itkan na, ipiling ken palas. Naginag ti oras na aglabas, gapud karayo, adi maipapas. Alawen, agang anus tabiag ko, dayal mo, daygan epulo. Nang tayang ta, isegak ken sugno, kasiksikalat, inay-ayat ko. Uray adayo ka, dito'y arpad, kasla asidek ka, latakayak. Taday kakimet mo, numang negak umalayen, mo aliw-liwag.
Daydiin tugot ko ang sapatan, inikot ang awan ti mulit na. Ti puso mo gayam, maumilad at dami, iliw na kensega.
Nagrigaten, long distance na ayan, tikden na, tikiling ken palas. Naginag ti oras na aglabas, gapud karayo, adi maipapas. Alawen, agang anus tabiag
po ang long distance na ayat, mga kalugaran. Kumusta mo apo digite paglablabasak dita di baliw no kwa mapanak DJ Ili. DJ Lagapok de Santiago. Kalugaran, basta mo digite kabagyan ni nanang ko DJ Baksay Mapula-pula. Baksay Katarawan. Kumusta kayo amin-amin? Basta mo di baliw. Basta mo di baliw tayo. And kahit kuman nakablaawan ni Ninong Leo Antiporda, the Antiporda family. Ganon din sa kila Auntie Bibing, ni Manang Cora, kada kay amin-amin nanditan. Kumusta kayo amin? I would like to sing a song, another requested song coming from Marisa. If you want to request a song, please send your request or greetings to +63 949-560-1925. And kahit kumabat na kablaawan, tiya, na ibaga pa nagdandangeg, my sister Julie, of course to Tatang Juan, Nanang Juning, J. Caloocan, of course to Dandan, to Julius. And nagiging kakapsat ko dito UAE ni Ate Mirna, Ate Lorna, Kuya Lando, ganun din kay Kathy. Kasamutin, tikapsat ko di Canada ni Ate Tess Bautista Agarano, and of course to Troy Agarano. Okay? Here's a song ni Apo Diyos, Timang Bendisyon Kan Ka, requested by Narisa Jacosalem.
Ni Apo Diyos, Timang Bendisyon Ken Ka, sapay kumatay takit ipagna. Dagiti daw dawat mo na arapaat, tibaligin kaidan masagrap. Mananam mo ti puno aragsa, iden na sanong at kinain bagagasa. At ipaen na ti dumteng arigat, ilisin na ka, iti anyamang apeggan. Punasen na amin aparikot mo, aramiden na namaris ti aglawlaw mo. Ipaay na't amin akalikagong mo, taginayunen na kapiat panunot mo. Aginggay di sumarunungan tapanag kita, ni Apo Dios, timang bendisyon ken ka. Mananang mo ti pudno aragsak, iden na sanong akin na imbagagasa. At ipaen na ti dumteng arigat, ilisin na ka, iti anyamang apeggan. Unasen na amin aparikot mo, aramiden na alamaris ti aglawlaw mo. Ipaay na't amin akalikagong mo, taginayunen na kapiat panunot mo. Aginggay ti sumarunungan tapanag kita, ni Apo Dios, timang bendisyon ken ka. Aginggay ti sumarunungan tapanag kita, ni Apo Dios, timang bendisyon ken ka.
Okay, niapod Diyos nimang bendisyon kada kayo nang nanggro na kadagitiya gagayim kong amang subsuporta lata. Thank you so much to Banji S. Antonio dita United Arab Emirates. Maraming salamat sa iyong moral support. Ganon din kila Ate Edna Putay and of course to Ninong Benny Giang Rieta. Lahat ng staff ng Radyo Kalugaran, maraming salamat. Most especially to you, Gayem Bernard Estavillo. Sa mga Friends of Ben Bautista Online Singapore, ganon din sa Friends of Ben Bautista Online Hong Kong and United Arab Emirates. Kahit kung mga sagutan, pinaputal ko nga sunata, tidungdong mag-unay nga ina, DJ Caloocan City nga masakit, get well soon nang. This song entitled Junisha Waltz. Basit ka man asampagan, ngempud no ang makaay ayukan. Nagpaidumat kinalinus mo, aring mo't sabong na inggit banglo ay nagaget kalaunay. Taratek dito'y taratek sa diyay, uray no isut makaungungtan. Saan mulat ka dayto'y ibibiyang, nagkasat kam ketin tasikat inami Dionisya. Tanap me kami pamateng ngawan kapatpad na, sikat payak tiwalo at tumatayat Dionisya. Tapno makapayak pa ketagbiyak anawayan, pagwadan kaunay nga ina, uray day tabiyag mo ingka ipusta. Aramidem amin akabalam, tapno matulungam patgem nga sawam. Kaputi kinagaget mo, di adua piksam inibus mo. Kimapsot tabagin di kapayen makapagna, agyaman kamken ka inggit anus na nga ina. Nagkasat kam keting tasikat inami Dionisya. Tanap ne kami pamateng ngawan kapagpad na, sikat payak tiwalo at tumatayat Dionisya. Tapno makapayak paket agbiyak anawayan. Sikat payak tiwalo at tumatayat Dionisya. Tapno makapayak paket agbiyak anawaya. Tapno makapayak paket agbiyak anawaya.
We'll be back again next week.
Same time, same radio station.
97.7 FM Radio Kalugaran, Claveria.
We would like to thank all of you for listening.
Tinagan T Station Manager
Ma'am Juliet Atiagan, Chairman Municipal Nutrition Committee, Mayor Pablo Nababulante Jr., Production Coordinator Bernard Estavillo.
Dagito'y ti anak ti Kalugaranyo, Michaela Biancanto Bautista,
and Kiano Ben,
saying thank you very much for listening. Bye, Kalugaran!
Sungalantan ayang iti puso kerik nata Sintianta